Hello, my name is Toby. I'm the story maker here at Clanbeat. I want to tell you a short story about nests. Nests are a product we've developed at Clanbeat, which are small, safe and social feeds of content designed and moderated by specific educators to support teachers and students. And we released them this week to pilot audiences, which we'd selected and which we'd kind of sought for using existing teacher-student communities. It's safe to say that it's been a challenging and interesting time, not least because we are a business and we're also in the work of nurturing human potential and well-being, and sometimes those two things kind of feel in contention. I don't think they necessarily should be, but in order for us to be successful, we have to provide evidence as much as anything else of it being a financially viable product. So this pilot, this 3-week process, is going to reveal some of that information to us. Do people sustain their interest? Does it actually really support their well-being? And would they do it again? And in the end, maybe, would they pay for access? If you know your way around the larger providers of content online, you know as well that the reason why they're free is because they use data to create algorithms, to provide advertising, and so on and so on. And so anything that doesn't do that is at cost. Well, that's a kind of challenge, not least to people who are used to or habituated into getting things for free and finding their way with it. So yeah, it's going to be an interesting few weeks at Clanbeat as we explore and devise ways to measure the successes of these nests. If it's interesting to you, you're very welcome to join in and come onto a nest and see what it looks like, and spread the word. We're going to try to do these kind of meta recordings of our experience, let you into the kitchen to see what we're doing, because that way I hope we can reveal a little bit more about our integrity and our work, and let's see where this journey takes us. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll speak to you next week.